Let the audience judge, but I don't think so. No,
Yeah?
no, he has his own reasons for everything that he does, and the reasons are born of a belief in the injustice that's been inflicted upon the world of wizards, and his reason for existing is to uphold the safety and the prosperity of wizards. So he's coming, in his mind anyway, he's coming from a justifiable and noble place. We've lived in the shadows for too long.
J.K. Rowling is just one of the great voices of our time, and she has this understanding of the human condition that she communicates so eloquently and through allegory. And so I think as an actor it's an obvious dream. But then that was sort of stacked on top of the fact that I'm a really, really big Harry Potter fan.
I did a lot. I think for Queenie, I had like brown hair, and I just was sort of, when I did the first screen test, I wore some like weird jumpsuit onesie thing, and I just didn't know what to do. So it took some finding of, like, you know, for everyone to see me as how they saw Queenie, who's this iconic sort of very feminine girl.
She finds heroic qualities in people that who aren't innately heroic, people that don't fit the mold of being kind of old school heroes. So outsiders often, I would say all of the four of us in the quartet, I suppose the heroes of this piece are all outsiders who find power in each other, really.
Yeah, and struggle to become their best selves too. I think that's a theme even through the Harry Potter stories as well, that I think people really connected to, was that they'd find themselves in situations that would test their courage, but they didn't necessarily think of themselves as particularly courageous people. And you always wonder this. I think every human being wonders, what will I be in a moment of crisis?
I have a really bad imagination, so I was really worried going into this film about the amount of effects and CGI and playing to a green stick, and but in reality David Yates, our director, gave us all this. So we had puppeteers, they built a lot of the sets, so I thought when we started that we'd be walking onto literally a studio full of green, and actually they built so much that you didn't need to use your imagination.
Didn't feel any pressure, no. I just read the script and I really loved it, and talked to David Yates, the director, about what he saw the character's purpose as in the film, and his vision for the whole piece. But it was kind of a no-brainer, really. Just the opportunity to work on a film that was an original script from J.K. Rowling, and a film that, while it was not the Harry Potter world or the time of Harry Potter, existed within the same universe of magic and imagination, so I was excited.
In this film? I mean, I wouldn't have hired me for any of the other roles. Maybe the bow truckle, the little stick guy who wants to hug everybody. I could be into that.
It would have been a mean picket. That would have been amazing.
It's hard to get me in your pocket.
Yeah,
but
don't worry. I'm going to talk to David about that sequence.
What makes Albus Dumbledore so fond of you, Mr. Scamander?
First trip to America?
Yes. Must get that fixed.
Anything edible in there?
No.
Any livestock?
No.
Welcome to New York.
those things came